Hey everybody, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Tuesday. Well, technically it's Monday, but Tuesday when you are watching this, and we are doing the 52-week challenge and also the Budget Mom. We only have 2 weeks left of the Budget Mom, so we are going to be killing it this week and next week. But before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and hit that notification. And I just wanted to thank y'all for everybody who has commented. We got 24 comments of a number that I should be picking. And then a reminder, if you do win, then you do have to sit out a week, just so it'll give the opportunity for somebody else to win. Now, if there is 2 people who guess the same number that I pulled, then the first person who comments gets the $10 Amazon gift card, and you do have until Friday at 3 p.m. to claim your prize. If not, then it is non-void. So let's just get right into it. So first we're going to be going ahead and doing the Budget Mom Challenge for February. And you know that we have been doing this for a couple of weeks now. And we are in, oh no, it is, where am I at? We're in March. Let's see, I gotta go and get the March. All right, so like I said, we're going to be doing the March, which is the 5% savings. And I think I went ahead and did 10%, but we're going to be doing 5%. You know, actually we have been doing 10%. So let's just go ahead and put our $12 in. We kind of didn't have a paycheck last week because I kind of just used my stimulus check for all that stuff. So we are just going to be putting $12 in, so 10, 11, 12. And we're going to count how much we have. So 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. So $36 is how much we have saved up as of right now. So let's do $36 plus and then 10%. So we will be adding another $12 next week, and that will finish us out. And then we'll start on April, which I haven't looked at April yet, but I am super excited about that. And I have no idea what today's date is. So we are just going to be, I'll put that on later, but $36 is how much we have saved up so far for March. And I'm part of the Facebook group for the Budget Mom Challenges, and they are killing it also. They are doing way better than me and saving money and everything. So they are amazing. All right, so let's go ahead and do our 52-week challenge, which I need to go ahead and find that. All right, so we are on week 14, which we are technically on week 12. We are 2 weeks ahead because we did pull a 3 and an 8. And if you are new, if I pull anything 10 or less, that means I draw again and we get another number. So technically we are 2 weeks ahead, but that is fine. We are going to be killing this 52-week challenge. I kind of want some big numbers this week because I do have money and everything, and I want to knock out a big one, but I don't know, it's pretty even right now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 on the other side. So I'm kind of hoping for a bigger number, but we shall see. Like I said, we have 24 comments right here. Now, if you have never played this game, please consider playing. And if you want to be the first person to comment your number and you want to seal that first place spot, make sure you turn on those notifications, because every time I post something, then you will be notified when the video is up, so you do not want to miss it. So 24 people, and I don't know, maybe I want like something less than 10 so we can pull again, and then we can be 3 weeks ahead of time, but who knows. I kind of want a big number, big number, big number. So let's do this one. Okay, so it is 16. So it's not that big, but it's 16. So let's see who... Oh, and look, Miss Dr. Pepper, literally the first comment. Miss Dr. Pepper, she got the 16. Now let's see who was close. Pamela was close. She guessed 17. And then Rachel, who's one of my friends from school, she guessed 15. But the lucky number is 16. So congratulations, Miss Dr. Pepper. She actually played last year. And I think she won maybe 2 times last year. I don't know. Comment down below, Miss Dr. Pepper, and let me know how many times you won last year. I think it's twice. I think she won twice, if I'm not mistaken. But she's actually pretty good at guessing numbers. But yeah, so number 16 is how much we are going to be putting in. So that is super exciting, and we will not be hitting a milestone this week, but hopefully we will next week, which we shouldn't. It'll probably be another 2 weeks before we hit anything, another milestone. So we are looking for $320. Let's go ahead and get our money. So we have, let's see, 16, 10, 15, and 16. So the rest of the money will go towards next week, or I could start the $100 challenge. Maybe. I don't know. I'm still a little bit hesitant about doing it. So I'm not sure if I want to do it or not. Y'all give me some encouragement, because I am definitely afraid of it. Very afraid of it. Alright, so let's turn all of this around. They're probably not all the way around, of course. So let's flip all these around. Just so people want to attack me in the comments, which they usually don't do, which I'm very grateful, because my friends on here are awesome. So let's see, and then we have 5. All right, so let's go ahead and count. So $320 is how much we are looking for. 1, 2, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 3, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So $320. So this is 20, 1, 2, and 3. So $320. And that is it, you guys. Short, sweet, to the point. Congratulations again to Miss Dr. Pepper. Be sure to go ahead and comment. I don't know. I don't think I have your email anymore, but I'm pretty sure it'll pop up if I just put it in the search. But make sure you go and claim your prize. You do have till Friday at 3 p.m. And thank you again to everybody who has commented. Don't give up, because your time will come. Just be sure that you comment first, you guys. And the more that we get into the weeks and there's less and less numbers, then I will switch over to a name generator from the Google website and everything. So just keep on commenting and your day will come. But anyways, love you guys. And actually we have to color. Oh my god, I can't believe we almost forgot to color. That is not cool. So let's see. So we are going to be doing yellow for 16. 16, yep. So we are just going to color this in. So while you're watching this, I am actually at school, and it's going to be the last day before we are out and free for 3 days. Well, if you count the weekend, it's like 5 days for spring break. So pretty much all I'm going to be doing, I told Mama that she can come over because, you know, love Mom. And I haven't seen her in a couple of weeks. She hasn't stayed at my house a couple of weeks, and my house really needs cleaning, and I know she will help me clean. So hopefully she'll be coming over. We can hang out and everything. Jerry and I do have engagement pictures on Friday. I'm not sure if we're going to be doing that or not, because I am not in the best shape right now because of school. I have just been eating junk. I have been drinking coffee every single day for like 3 times a day. It's very, very sad. Very sad. But anyways, so that is it. We colored, we counted our money, we wrote down our total. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.